Upper Dogmoka at Potaro along Ingdeng kethom Interchurch Football kepathu kachepate angdung kiti kepathu along Sildharampur Baptist Church atum kachepahai. Community Health Development Program Baptist Christian Hospital Tejpuratam Chepatir Piponsi Interchurch Football Tournament 2021 Come Awareness Program on Human Trafficking Lapen Addiction Kwa Tepi and Ponsi Kidamtang Pray Nipai ECR Nipen Upper Dogmoka at Potaruarong Patua Klamalong Football Kapatu Bangcheng Ponsi Kidamtang Pray Nipai Ingoira Kethomania Banke Angdung Kiti Patu Pono Angdung Kiti Kepathu along Upper Dogmoka Baptist Church Pen Sildharampur Baptist Church at Tumang Bongsi Chepho Pondo Kepathu Bomahut Nat Nada Terangatumta Kethek Kachingbar Chirajok Gol Chipi un Edetsi Apitu Kehai Kerem Kapatini Vegja Panpura Tiebreaker Kapachitur Ponahut Sildharampur Baptist Church atum Chepahai Ponsi Kehai Anong Ilapen Tangka Dengponlo AKBC LF YD Maipu Seron Sarmen Hansepen Chunbang David Rongchanatum Angdung Kiti Kepathu Ajai Mekachapahempu Ponahut Alohiaman Pen Baptist Christian Hospital Managing Director Jagdish Chandra Salauki Manager CHDP William Sangate NKBA Maipu Joseph Hanse AKBC LF Amaipu Kohelet Pangchuatum Pen Danglok Penangan Manpen Kedua Bangpu Bang Piatum Chetongrun.
I'm very happy to be part of this tournament. Today is the final match, and from Baptist Christian Hospital we are glad to come here and be part of this tournament, and it is our sincere desire that the best team will win today, and we are really enjoying this time and the culture here and the team spirit with which they are playing. So we hope and pray for every
at Potarorong sinitumbi lo apan bang so khala tibio thei han lo itum dak thaklong lo thim gi anwan dame human trafficking lapen addiction apu thak lahai phan itum koson si kichipajok nai ma kichupajai kijun pajai pan lahai phan isi sport ahin pen bilo pote timake me phanwan ilongji so phan sin timake nang ma se bipon apan bang so nitum October ke cheng ani pen bipon si pini an final match ke pat judlo
Dogmoka Pen Samsung Ingti Karbiang Long Lai